Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's be real for a second. Who else has spent way too much time trying to overline their lips, only to end up looking like you just ate spaghetti and forgot to wipe? Because, same. Today I'm about to save you from that. We're going from thin to juicy lips in just 3 simple lipstick steps. No lip liner, no crazy contouring, no let me fix this in Facetune. Just lipstick and a little technique that makes your lips look naturally fuller and pouty. So grab your favorite lipstick, maybe a mirror, and let's glow up those lips together. Step 1, the base trick, center first. Alright, step 1 is probably the opposite of what you're used to. Most of us just take lipstick and fill in the whole lip, right? But here's the thing, if you want your lips to look fuller, you can't give the edges the same intensity as the middle. Product recs for this step. Drugstore. Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon, easy to control and creamy. High-end, Charlotte Tilbury Kissing lipstick, so smooth, perfect for this. So here's what you do, take your lipstick bullet, liquid lipstick, or even a crayon-style lipstick, whatever you like, and only apply it to the very center of your top and bottom lips. Just a small oval right in the middle, almost like a cherry stain. Why? Because lighter edges and deeper centers trick the eye into seeing volume, just like how contour and highlight work on your face. Think of this step like planting the seed of juiciness. Step 2, the soft blur effect. Now, step 2 is where the magic actually happens. Take your fingertip, yes, I swear fingers work best for this, and gently smudge the lipstick outward. Don't drag it all the way to the edges, just feather it out so the color gradually fades. This blurred effect does 2 things. 1. It makes the lips look naturally soft and plush instead of flat. 2. It avoids that sharp line around your lips that usually makes them look thinner. Basically, you're creating the illusion of bigger lips without ever crossing your natural lip line. Pro tip, if your lips are naturally pale and you want extra definition, you can dab a tiny bit of concealer around your lip edges before blending. It'll make the blurred lip look even more natural and juicy. Step 3, the juicy pop. Okay, now step 3 is my favorite part, the juicy pop. Go back in with the same lipstick and tap just a little more color right in the center of your lips. Think of it like a second layer, but only where you want the fullness to stand out. Gloss and Shine Recs. Drugstore, NYX Butter Gloss, classic, shiny but not sticky. Pakistani option, Medora Lip Gloss, super affordable. High-end, Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, unbeatable shine. This creates a natural gradient, darker in the middle, softer toward the edges. That gradient is the secret behind that pouty lip look you see in K-beauty and editorial makeup. Now, to take it up a notch. Add a clear gloss or a lip oil right in the middle, not all over. If you don't have gloss, even a dab of Vaseline works. That little touch of shine makes the lips reflect light, which equals instant plumpness. It's literally like Photoshop but IRL. Okay, so before I let you run off and try this, here are a few extra things that make a huge difference. Choose the right lipstick formula, creamy, satin, or velvet finishes blend way easier than matte. If you love matte, do this trick first and then blot lightly. Color matters. Deep berries and reds equals maximum drama and pout. Warm nudes equals your lips but juicier look. Pinks and corals equals fresh, soft, everyday fullness. Skip the lip liner, on purpose this technique works because the edges are soft. A sharp liner cancels that effect, so save your liner for another day. Sparkles hydrate first, trust me, dry, flaky lips will ruin this look. A quick scrub or even brushing your lips with a toothbrush before applying lipstick makes everything smoother. Now, if you're watching this, you'll probably see on one side of my lips I've done the regular way, just fully filled in lipstick. And on the other side, I've done this blurred, center-loaded technique. See the difference? One looks flat, the other looks plush and pillowy. That's the power of placement, not products. And there you have it, 3 easy steps from thin to juicy lips, no liner needed, no overlining drama, just lipstick and a little technique. Honestly, the best part about this trick is that it works with literally any lip shape. Whether you've got naturally thin lips, uneven lips, or even already full lips, it just makes everything look smoother and more youthful. So now you have no excuse to walk around with flat lipstick, okay? Try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you, and if you have a go-to lipstick shade that makes you feel extra pouty, drop it below, I need recommendations. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more easy glow-up tricks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.